Part 5 of Chapter 4. Jalal is said to have related that Shamsuddin forbade him to study any more the writings of his father, Baha-Veled, and that he punctually obeyed the injunction. But one night he dreamt that he was in company with a number of friends who were all studying and discussing with him those very writings of Baha-Veled. As he woke from his dreams, Shams was entering the room with a severe look. Addressing Jalal, he asked, "How hast thou dared to study that book again?" Jalal protested that since his prohibition, he had never once opened his father's works. "Yes," retorted Shams, "there is a study by reading, but there's also a study by contemplating. Dreams are but the shadows of our waking thoughts. Hast thou not occupied thy thoughts with those writings? Thou wouldst not have dreamt about them." From that time forward, remarked Jalal, I never again busied myself with my father's writings so long as Shamsuddin remained alive. And oh, well, here I am referring to Sufi writings. You know, I write my own poems. Look at my Ramadan list. I write poems related to my experience. But you kind of have to get beyond the secondary interpretations and go straight at it. What are your ways, and what are you doing with others